Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up a company in HubSpot CRM. This is essential for organizing your business contacts and keeping track of all the organizations you work with in one centralized place. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a login button if you already have an account. Go ahead and click on Login. If you're new to HubSpot, you can click on Get Free HubSpot CRM to sign up. For this tutorial, we'll assume you already have an account set up and ready to go. After clicking Login, you'll be taken to the login page where you need to enter your HubSpot credentials. Type in your email address and password, then click Sign In. This will take you directly into your HubSpot dashboard where you can manage all your CRM activities. Now that you're inside HubSpot, look at the left navigation panel. You'll see an option labeled CRM. Click on it, and an expanded menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, locate and click on Companies. This section is specifically designed for managing all the organizations and businesses in your CRM. Once you're on the Companies page, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find a button that says Create Company. Click on it, and a right side panel will pop out. This is where you'll input all the relevant information about the company you want to add. In the company form that appears, you'll need to fill in the required fields. Start with the company name field and type in the official name of the organization. Next, move to the company domain name field and enter the website URL. These two fields are essential as they help HubSpot identify and organize the company properly within your CRM. After you've entered the company name and domain name, you'll notice that more fields unlock for you to fill in. These additional fields might include industry, number of employees, phone number, or address. Continue filling these out with as much detail as you have available. The more information you provide, the more useful your CRM will be for tracking interactions and managing relationships. Once you've completed all the relevant fields, look for the Create button at the bottom of the panel. Click on Create to store the new company record in your HubSpot CRM. The company is now saved, and you can easily access it whenever you need to view details or add contacts associated with that organization. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.